Hello everyone, welcome to Max class. In previous classes, we discussed what is set and its types. In today's session, we are going to discuss set operations. We have 5 set operations. We are going to discuss this in today's session. What's the first one? Union. What's the meaning of union? Union means joining together. So, set union means joining two sets. What's the definition of set union? The union of two sets A and B is the set of all elements in A or in B or in both the sets. So, if they ask you to find A union B means first you have to write set of all elements in set A, then set of all elements in set B, and the important point is elements should not be repeated. That's the definition or method to find set union. And we can denote or represent set union by the symbol A union B. That is the symbol for set union. Now, using example, I am going to explain what is set union. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Set A has 3 elements and set B is equal to A and B. Now, I am going to find A union B. So, A union B is equal to, first you have to write elements in first set. So, what do we have? 1, 2 and 3. Then elements in the second set. Here there is no common element. So, straight away you can join the two sets. So, A and B. That is the answer for A union B. Suppose we have another set. Set C is equal to 1 and 5. Now, I am going to find A union C. So, what is A union C? So, A union C is equal to set of all elements in the first set. So, 1, 2 and 3. Now, elements in set C. In set C, we have 1 and 5. Here, 1 is a common element in both the sets. So, no need to write it again. So, you can write the remaining element, that is 5. That is A union C. So, I repeat, A union B. To find A union B means the set of all elements in set A or in set B or in both the sets. No need to repeat the element. Now, I am going to represent A union B in Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a mathematical way of representing a set, that is called Venn diagram. John Venn invented Venn diagram. So, we are using his name Venn. That is why we call it as Venn diagram. First, I am going to represent A union B for overlapping sets. What is the meaning of overlapping sets? Two sets having at least one common element means we can say the two sets are overlapping sets. So, A union B. First, you have to shade set A. So, that is set A. The triangle is universal set. Then union set B. Now, I am going to say set B. That is the common part, is already shaded. No need to shade it again. That is the pictorial representation of A union B. The same way, if we have disjoint sets, what is the meaning of disjoint? If two sets don't have any common element, means we can say the two sets are disjoint sets. The same way, first you have to shade set A. So, first you have to say set A. Then again the second set B. That's the answer for A union B. The next one is intersection. To discuss intersection the same way, we need two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common in both A and B. So, in intersection, we write only common elements and we denote intersection by the symbol that is called intersection. A intersection B. Using example, we are going to learn what is A intersection B. Here we have three sets. The first set A is equal to 4, 5 and 6 and set B is equal to 5, 6 and 7 and set C is equal to 1 and 2. First we are going to find A intersection B. What is A intersection B? The set of all elements common to both A and B. So, look at the two sets and compare. Here 5 and 6 are common to both A and B. So, that is the answer for intersection. So, A intersection B is equal to 5 and 6. Next, A intersection C. A intersection C. Now compare the first and third set. Here we have 4, 5, 6 and set C we have 1 and 2. So, there is no common element in set A and C. So, it is a empty set. So, intersection A intersection C is equal to empty set or null set. Now, we are going to represent A intersection B in Venn diagram. What is A intersection B? Set of all elements which are common in set A and B, common element. So, here the first one is set A and the second one is set B. So, if we ask to draw Venn diagram for A intersection B means you have to shade the common part or common area. So, here that is the common area. So, that is A intersection B. Now, the third one is complement of a set. What is the complement? Complement of a set A is set of all elements which are in the universal set but not in A. In simple way we can say A complement or A dash means except A the elements which are in universal set. Consider a classroom situation. Set U is equal to set of all students in a class, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and set A equal to set of all students who like coffee. That means the set of all students in A they like coffee. Now I am going to find the set of students who don't like coffee. That means you have to write the remaining elements in the set universal set, that is in U. So, what we have? The remaining numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8. So, if you add A, that is add means union, A and union A dash, we get universal set. So, repeat, set U equal to the students in a class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and set A equal to set of all students who like coffee. We have to find A dash, that means set of all students who don't like coffee. So, we have to write the remaining elements from the universal set. Now, the Venn diagram for A complement. What is A complement? Except A, the remaining elements in the universal set. So, the first one is set A. Set A means you have to shade set A alone. Now, A complement except A. So, except A, you have to shade the remaining element or remaining parts in the universal set. So, you have to shade the remaining parts or remaining area in the universal set, that is A complement. The next one is set difference. Consider two sets A and B. The set difference A difference B means the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. That is called set difference of A and B. The same way, B difference A means set of all elements in B but not in A. So, the symbol for set difference A difference B. The same way, B difference A. So, A difference B means set of all elements which are in A. So, X belongs to A but not in set B, and X not belongs to set B. The same way, B difference A means the set of all elements in B but not in set A, and X not belongs to set A. We are going to find A difference B and B difference A. Here we have two sets. The first set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and second set B is equal to 3, 4 and 5. So, first we are going to find A difference B. Now, we are going to find A difference B. So, first you have to write the first set A. So, in set A we have 1, 2 and 3. So, 1, 2 and 3, the difference symbol. In second set, set B is equal to 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. Now, strike the common element. So, 3 is the common element. So, you can strike 3. Now, the remaining elements in the first set. So, that is equal to 1 and 2. That is the answer for A difference B. That is set of all elements which are in A but not in B. Now, B difference A. The same way, first you have to write set B. In set B we have 3, 4 and 5. And difference symbol. Set A we have 3 elements 1, 2 and 3. Strike the common element and the remaining element in the first set. So, what we get? 4 and 5. That is the answer for B difference A. Now, we are going to represent A difference B and B difference A in Venn diagram. The first one is A difference B. So, A difference B means set of all elements which are in set A but not in B. So, we have to hide set B and say the remaining parts in set A. So, that is A difference B. The same way, B difference A means set of all elements in B but not in A. So, we have to hide set A and the remaining part in set B. So, what we get? That is the answer for B difference A. And the last one is symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference? Here also we need two sets. The symmetric difference of A and B is A difference B union B difference A. The symmetric difference is denoted by A del B. I repeat, A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. Now, we are going to find the symmetric difference of A and B. What is the formula? A del B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. So, first we are going to find A difference B. So, A difference B is equal to elements in A but not in B. So, first you have to write A, B and C difference B. C, D, E, and strike out the common element. So here C is the common element. Then you have to write remaining elements in the first set. So what do we get? A and B. Next, B difference A. So B difference A is equal to, first you have to write set B. C, D, E difference set A. A, B and C. Now B difference A. First you have to write set B, C, D, E different, then set A. Strike the common element. Here C is the common element. Then the remaining elements in the first set D comma E. So that is equal to D comma E. Now A del B. A del B is equal to A difference B. What is the answer for A difference B? A comma B. So A comma B. Then union B difference A. What do we have? D and E. So D and E. So union means joining together and elements should not be repeated. Here there is no common element. So straight away you can write that is equal to A comma B comma D comma E. D comma E. Let's see answer. A del B, symmetric difference in Venn diagram. So we know what is A difference B. Elements which are in A but not in B, and B difference A means that of all elements in B not in A. Right? Now A delta or A del B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. So you have to join the two diagrams. So in the first diagram you have to shade the first parts. Then in second diagram so that is the answer for A del B. That's the common element. No need to shade. Now we are going to do exercise 1.3 first sum. The question is, using the Venn diagram, write the elements of set A, B, A union B and so on. The first subdivision is set A. And set A means the set of all elements in the first circle. So in the first circle you have to write the elements. So what do we have? In set A we have 2, then 4, then 7, 8 and 10. So in the first circle we have 5 elements. The second subdivision set B. So set of all elements in second circle. So what we have? 3, then 4, 6, 7, 9 and 11. And the third one is A union B. Union means joining together. So we have to join both A and B. So what do we have? 2, 3, 4 is a common element. Then 6, 7 is a common element. 8, 9, 10 and 11. That is A union B. The next one is A intersection B. Intersection means you have to write only the common element. So here 4 and 7 is the only common element. So the answer is 4 and 7. And the next one, A difference B. Set of all elements which are in A but not in B. So not in B means you have to hide set B and write the remaining elements in set A. So what do you have? 2, 8 and 10. The sixth one is B difference A. So what is B difference A? Set of all elements in B but not in A. So we have to hide set A and write the remaining elements in set B. So what do we have? 3, 6, 9 and 11. 3, 6, 9 and 11. A dash or A complement means except A. So except A, you have to write the remaining elements in the universal set. So hide set A and write the remaining elements. What do we have? 1, 3, 6, 9, 11 and 12. So 1, 3, 6, 9, 11 and 12. Now the next subdivision B dash. What is B dash? Except B elements in the universal set. So except B, so you have to hide set B and write the remaining elements 1, 2, 8, 10 and 12. So 1, 2, 8, 10 and 12. And the last one is universal set. What is universal set? A set which contains all the elements of all the set. So you have to write all the elements within the rectangular shape. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Except 5, you have to write 1 to 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. That's the answer for universal set. 2. Find A union B, A intersection B, A difference B and B difference A for the following set. The first subdivision is set A is equal to 2, 6, 10 and 14 and set B is equal to 2, 5, 14 and 16. First we are going to find A union B. So A union B means joining two sets and elements should not be repeated. So what do you have? 2, then 5, 10, 14 and 16. And A intersection B means common element. You have to write only the common element. The common elements are 2 and 14. Here also you have 2 and 14. So the answer for A intersection B is equal to 2 and 14. A difference B. So first you have to write set A. In set A we have 2, 6, 10 and 14. Difference. In set B we have 2, 5, 14 and 16. 2, 5, 14 and 16. Strike the common elements 2, then 14, then write the remaining elements in the first set. So that is equal to 6, 10. The same way B difference A, first you have to write set B, that is 2, 5, 14 and 16. Difference set A 2, 6, 10 and 14. Strike the common elements 2 and 14 and write the remaining elements in the first set, that is equal to 5, 16. Now second sum, third subdivision. The question is set A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and the value of x less than or equal to 10. Natural number starting from 1 and increased by 1. So what are the elements we have? Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, less than or equal to 10. and set B is equal to x such that x belongs to whole number starting from 0 and value of x less than 6. So up to 5 you can write. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am going to find A union B. So A union B, join the two sets together. So here we have 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. So you can add 0 with the first set. That's the answer. So A union B means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. A intersection B, the common elements in two sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the common element in both the sets. So A intersection means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A difference B. So elements which are in A but not in B. So first you have to write set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Difference set B 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Strike the common elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The remaining elements in the first set. So what is the answer? A difference B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The same way B difference A, first you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Strike the common elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The remaining element in the first set. So that is equal to 0, singleton set. So in today's class we discuss set operations. The first one is union. Union means joining together. What's the meaning of union? Union is set of all elements which are in A or in B or in both the sets. And the second one is intersection. Intersection means common. So the intersection of two sets A and B is set of all elements which are common to both A and B. And the third one is complement. Complement means except. So complement of A is the set of all elements which are in U, that is in universal set but not in set A. And the fourth one, difference. A difference B means set of all elements which are in A but not in B. The same way B difference A means set of all elements in B but not in set A. And the last one is symmetric difference, that we have one formula. A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. That's all. Today's session is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.